Today is another Costco recipe, Korean style. We're gonna take these fat eggplants and turn them into this delicious Korean side dish. We're gonna braise the eggplant with the soy sauce, kind of spicy sauce together. Oh, so good. 오늘의 레시피, 맛있는 가지조림 반찬 만들기. 오늘도 여러분들과 영어로 함께 하겠습니다. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper 헬렌입니다. This is one of my staple purchases at Costco. Yes, it's organic. They're so fresh and plump, and it's like, I think under $6. I love it. And for our braised eggplant recipe today, we're gonna use about under 700 grams of eggplants. Rinse your eggplant, and we're just gonna trim the end off, and right here as well. And we're gonna just cut them into less than, about 3/4 of an inch thickness, like so. To make our braising sauce for our eggplant, we need 1 tablespoon of jin soy sauce. If you don't have jin 간장, jin soy sauce, you could just use all-purpose Korean soy sauce, 양조 간장 instead. 1 tablespoon of doenjang, and doenjang is your fermented soybean paste. It's the Korean miso paste, but in my opinion, doenjang is the bomb compared to miso paste. And you could buy this at a Korean market. It's a staple ingredient in Korean cuisine, or you could order online and I'll have the product link below. 1/2 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1/2 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1/2 tablespoon of finely ground gochugaru, dried pepper flakes. If you only have the coarse ground, that's fine, you could use that too. 1/2 tablespoon of finely minced garlic, only use fresh garlic please. 1/4 cup of finely minced shallots. If you don't have shallots, you could use red onions or white onions instead. And to this, we're gonna add 1/2 cup of hot water. Then I want you to mix everything up so that all the ingredients are melted and together as one seasoning sauce. Wait, I heard you. Can you make a non-spicy version of these eggplants? Yes, you can. I actually have a video recipe on this. So I want to warn you in advance because it is so easy, so delicious, and it requires soy sauce and doenjang. So I'm sorry if I'm gonna make you drool. Set your heat to high and make sure to preheat your frying pan for about a good minute or two. All right, once your frying pan is preheated, I want you to add about 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons, maybe, of some oil. Then we're gonna take the widest ones and place them down. And then we're just gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt all around like that. Then we're gonna layer the second one on top of the rest of the eggplants. Then just a little bit of salt, like so. Then some black pepper. And we're gonna pour our seasoning sauce on top. Then we're gonna cover with the lid, and with your heat remaining at high, we're just gonna braise this for 2 minutes. All right, so it's been 2 minutes, and we're gonna turn off our heat, and then let the eggplant just hang out like this with no heat on and the lid on for 1 minute. So it's been a minute, and let's take a look. Ooh la la, look at that. I want you to quickly transfer this to a serving bowl to stop it from cooking any further. These are the ones from the bottom of the pan. Look how beautifully it absorbed our delicious sauce. Oh, that looks so good. And the extra sauce from the bottom of the pan. This sauce right here is the bomb. So spread it, make it nice. Now this part's optional, but I'm gonna garnish with some 실고추, which is dried chili florets, like that. Ah, so pretty. Then a drizzle of sesame oil. Oh, now it smells so nutty and buttery and creamy. And then a little bit of sesame seeds on top, like that. And there we have it. I want to take a quick moment to thank you for cooking Korean food with me. Now, if you're enjoying these lesson-based Korean cooking tutorials, press that like, subscribe, and share button, which helps my channel tremendously. And you need Korean ingredients for delivery? Go to amazon.com/shop/modernpepper and join Modern Pepper's Insider Access, where you and I can live chat any questions you may have for Korean cooking, Korean food culture, and Korean travel. So join Modern Pepper's Insider Access so you and I could chat. Now, if you want to see me devour this dish, make sure to check the eating video linked in the comment section below. I want to thank you for watching today, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, I want to kindly ask you to click on that thumbs up icon and subscribe and hit that notification bell if you haven't done so, and perhaps share today's recipe with your friends and family. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아요 버튼과 구독 버튼도 꼭 눌러주세요. 다음 영상에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. 감사합니다. Want to see more Korean recipes? Check out my library of authentic Korean recipes at youtube.com/modernpepper and click on that playlist tab. Click it. See you there.